malfunction. In 2010, a flash crash in the stock market, partially attributed to algorithmic trading errors, wiped out trillions of dollars in value within minutes.
More recently, a software glitch in a major airline system grounded thousands of flights, causing widespread disruption and economic losses. These incidents, while isolated, offer a sobering preview of the potential havoc that could be unleashed on a larger scale. Imagine a city plunged into darkness due to a failure in the AI-powered grid management system, or a hospital paralyzed by the shutdown of its diagnostic AI, unable to treat patients. The ripple effects of AI failure would cascade through our interconnected world, amplifying the initial disruption and impacting every aspect of our lives.
Section 4, Life Unplugged, Navigating the AI Blackout. The sudden absence of AI would be more than just an inconvenience. It would be a collective shock to our systems.
We have become so accustomed to the seamless assistance of AI that we've almost forgotten how to function without it.
Imagine navigating a city without GPS, relying on outdated maps and our own fallible sense of direction, or facing the daunting task of manually processing the volume of financial transactions that occur every second, a task now handled by algorithms.
The impact on our daily lives would be profound, forcing us to confront our dependence on technology and rediscover the resilience and resourcefulness we may have forgotten we possess.
Section 5, Safeguarding our intelligent infrastructure. The potential for AI infrastructure failure is a stark reminder of the importance of preparedness and vigilance. We must prioritize the development of robust safeguards and backup systems to mitigate the risks.
One crucial step is to ensure redundancy in our AI systems. Just as we have backup generators for power outages, we need alternative systems that can take over if the primary AI infrastructure fails.
We also need to invest in rigorous testing and monitoring of AI systems to identify and address vulnerabilities before they escalate into crises.
Finally, we must foster a culture of cybersecurity awareness and ethical AI development, ensuring that these powerful tools are used responsibly and securely. The future of our interconnected world depends on it.